Here is how to save your PowerPoint presentation as a PPTX file. Saving as a PPTX file allows you to open, view, and share the file with others in the future. So first, you need to go ahead, open your PowerPoint application on your device, then open the file that you want to change into PPTX. Tap on the File option in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Save As, which is between Save and Print, in the left-hand side of the screen. Then click on the Browse option, which is below Add a Place, and choose where you want to save this file. Then go to the section of Save as Type, tap on this drop-down menu and select PowerPoint Presentation. Then tap on Save in the bottom of the window and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.